All right, so welcome back again. So this is a continuation of the last video that we had. So this is the same circuit setup, except the diode is flipped around this time. So looking at this circuit, we immediately realize that we have changed to reverse bias. And remember, that's because the anode is now connected to the negative side. So therefore, it will never reach that 0.7 volts more positive on the anode side. Okay? So this will be reverse bias. So what is our rule for diodes when they are reverse bias? It'll always act like an open. It's always like an open switch. So this setup is super easy. And this video is going to be super short, okay? So you should not have any problem with this. Since this is acting like an open switch, that means that we are never going to conduct on this branch. So we're never going to conduct in this branch. So that means that you can basically just ignore that diode's even there. I mean, it is going to get the same voltage here just because opens read source voltage or what they're in parallel with. But this is essentially just going to be a series circuit the whole way down. Okay? Because again, current will never flow through the branch with the diode because we cannot force it into starting to conduct. So that means at 0.2 volts, VR1 and VRL is going to split the voltage since they're still equal, and the diode is going to get whatever VRL has. At 0.6 volts, VR1 and VRL is going to split the voltage, and then VD gets whatever VRL has. At 0.7 volts, VR1 and VRL is going to split the voltage. And then VRL and VD are the same. Now at 2 volts, all right, we're above that 0.7 here, but remember that doesn't matter because this is reverse bias. Anode is negative, cathode is positive now. Okay? Remember, anode and cathode. So therefore, VR1 is going to have 1 volt, VRL is going to have 1 volt, and then the diode is going to have whatever VRL has. And then at 2 volts, we're never going to conduct here, so VR1 and VRL is just going to split the difference of source voltage, and then diode has whatever VRL has. And again, that's because these two branches are in parallel. Okay? So now, 10 volts, we're going to split the two voltages on VR1 and VRL. Remember, this is a series circuit, so 5 plus 5 equals the 10 here. And then VD has whatever VRL has. Okay? So see, super simple when it's in reverse bias because this will never conduct. So treat it like a series circuit. If the two resistor values are the same, they're just going to split the source voltage, and diode will always have whatever RL has because they're in parallel. Okay? So I told you this would be a super short video. So the next 2 circuits that we're going to do is a little different. We're going to switch up the position of the diode and see how that works. So this is going to be a little bit more like a switch application, okay? So maybe think of it kind of like a relay. All right, so next video is coming very soon, all right?